Welcome back to my channel. I'm here just cleaning the sound deadener off the floorboard. I started it a long time ago and never finished it, so it's a good day to do something that's not going to cost any money. I'm going to get my S&W roll cage here pretty soon, so this all needs to be cleaned up. And when I scraped all this out of my Fox Mustang, I weighed it, and this sound deadener was 26 pounds. So that means, well, you actually could have a couple extra cheeseburgers at the track and it'll be okay. And for refreshments for today, we're drinking 805. It's nice and cool, good flavor, works well with today. And it's Fast House, so that's good.